Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Chat GPT widget on Nothing Phone 2. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on your search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open and you can skip introduction. Now open permissions and you have to allow this application to display over other apps and then click back and now click start. And as you can see, here is your widget and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responds. So if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.